Here's one of the most tragic patterns in personal finance. Nearly 70% of lottery winners go broke within just 5 years. People who won tens, sometimes hundreds of millions of dollars, end up worse off than they were before. How is that even possible? Consider Jack Whitaker. He won $314 million on Christmas Day, 2002. At the time, it was the largest single-ticket jackpot in history. And Jack wasn't just some random guy. He was already a successful businessman worth $17 million. But within 4 years, he'd blown through nearly all of it. His granddaughter died of an overdose. His daughter died shortly after. His wife divorced him. Jack later said he wished he'd just torn up that ticket. And his story isn't unique. William Post won $16.2 million. His own brother hired a hitman to kill him for the inheritance. William died $1 million in debt. Evelyn Adams won the lottery twice for a total of $5.4 million. She gambled it all away and now lives in a trailer. So what's happening here? Psychologists have a name for it: sudden wealth syndrome. When someone receives a massive amount of money they didn't earn, something inside them breaks. They have no framework for managing it, no habits built around wealth, and critically, they have no identity as a wealthy person. Think about how self-made wealthy people live. They spent years, sometimes decades, learning about money. They made their mistakes with small amounts before they ever had large amounts. They developed instincts about spending, about investing, and most importantly, about saying no. Lottery winners get none of this preparation. It's like being thrown into the cockpit of a jet fighter with no flight training. Then there's a more insidious side effect. With unlimited money, every relationship becomes suspicious. Friends, family, even strangers. You can never know if they want you or your money. Studies show lottery winners are significantly more likely to become victims of fraud. Long-lost family members suddenly appear asking for handouts. Financial advisors with bad intentions circle like sharks. And of course, there's the spending. Most people have never had to resist temptation on this scale. When you've wanted a nice car your whole life and can suddenly buy 50 of them, the restraint required is enormous. Lottery winners simply don't have that restraint muscle. They buy houses, cars, boats, and lavish gifts for everyone. But those assets come with their own relentless costs. Maintenance, insurance, storage, lifestyle inflation spirals out of control. But here's what's truly heartbreaking. Studies show lottery winners were happier before they won. Their happiness spikes for a short time, then drops to a level even lower than where they started. Their old life is gone. Their old friends feel distant. Their old simple problems were replaced by new, much scarier ones. So what's the lesson in all this? Maybe it's to be grateful you probably won't win the lottery. It's a mathematical long shot, and as we've seen, winning can destroy lives. The more important lesson is that wealth built slowly is wealth that lasts. Every year spent learning about money, building good habits, and growing your income gradually develops the very skills that lottery winners never get a chance to learn. Self-made millionaires have dramatically lower rates of bankruptcy and depression for a reason. They know the true value of money because they traded their time and their energy to earn it.